How to cancel Falou premium subscription on your mobile phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can cancel premium subscription on Falou, and here is how to go about it. The first step is, if you're using an Android phone like I am here, just head over to your Google Play Store on your mobile phone. And then once you're on your Google Play Store, you'll be brought to the page where you can see a search box and then the list of application. And then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see two options: games and apps. Ensure you're on the apps page, move to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. After doing that, you'll be brought to the page where you'll see your name, you'll see manage apps and devices and device, notifications and offers, payment and subscriptions. Just click on payment and subscriptions. On the payments and subscriptions page, ensure you select subscriptions. And then on this page, you would see, ensure you locate your Falou premium subscription. Alright, and then click on it. Then after clicking on it, or you'll be taken to the page where you'd see details about your subscriptions. And then once you can see that, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select cancel renewal. Alright, and after you click on cancel renewal, some cancellation if confirmation prompts to be displayed on the screen. Just follow it, and then from there you'll be directed on how your Falou premium subscription can be cancelled. So this is how it works. Okay, so if you want to cancel your Falou premium subscriptions, just follow these steps and you are good to go. Thank you.